Hey, thank you very much for joining today's session. So, in today's session, we will now introduce our assignment discussion. So we've now completed our 3 learning outcomes: data processing, our data preparation, and quality unit. So in this assignment, we will now be given a scenario, and we're now required to complete 3 tasks, and we also have an addition of a merit and distinction unit. So the assignment discussion has been made available to you, and if you do have any query, you can now email me directly or email learnandwork@ukversity.co.uk. So this is a level for qualification, and depending on what grade you're aiming for, you have to state that when you're doing your final submission, and you have a word limit, which will now depending on which grade you're aiming for. And we've been given a scenario. So as you can see here, to complete this unit, your tutor will help you to access a suitable DBMS that allow you to work with SQL commands. This could be MySQL, Maria, DB, or Oracle. You will also use Microsoft Access, but if you do this, you must write the SQL command rather than using Query Wizard. You will also need access to spreadsheet software such as Microsoft Excel. So you've been given a scenario. You are currently working for a local car hire company in the data analysis team. Your team creates business and management information for other teams and department, including senior management. So task number 1, your manager, Hazel Ellis, gives you access to databases that is modeled by the ER diagram in Appendix 1. So she wants you to produce the following report. List all columns in the customer table for customer with the first name David. List the book date, book start date, book end date, and all the car booking where the customer is the business with company name equal to Dawson, Bond, and Morgan. List the 4 type of discount with the total sum of price before discount, without the discount applied, and with the discount applied. The list should be sorted by total sum of price before discount. For each calendar month, list the total number of bookings and the sum of length of the booking. So, for example, difference between book start date and book end date. For the booking, where the description of booking type contains the character service. Your email to her will need to include the results of each query, as well as the code used to produce the analysis. Extension activity. So to achieve a merit, you will need to include a section in your email to Hazel where you annotate the code with appropriate comments, explain the role and importance of commenting in SQL code, learning how common assessment criteria for LO1, AC1, AC2, AC1, Merit 1 and Merit 2. Task number 2, your department has many data sources from various other than department within the company. So Hazel wants to ensure that the full value is obtained from combination of all these data sets. She wants you to produce a series of presentation slides that will be used with the rest of the team, where you explain the needs of combining data, describe the difference between horizontal and vertical pending data and the required conditions. So to achieve a merit, your presentation will also need to analyze the issue of inconsistency between different data sets and how inconsistency can be overcome. Task 3, you tell Hazel that the data sets supplied for other businesses department sometimes have quality issues. She doesn't understand why that should be a problem. You decide to write a short, brief paper for her where you explain the importance of clean data and the potential of data quality issues to be costly. Explain how different type of data quality errors can occur. To achieve a merit, your briefing paper will also need analysis to action the correct data quality issues and the associated cost. To achieve a distinction, your briefing paper will also need to justify the cost of maintaining ongoing data quality monitoring and remediation in the enterprise. So this is the ERD diagram which you're required to for your task number 1. And you can see the following ERD diagram identifies the structure of your whole database. So this should be easy for you to recreate. Is there any question regarding the assignment?
Thanks, Victor. Yeah, something I noticed when I was looking at it the other day is on the bottom page where the appendix is, it looks like what should be an embedded folder, but when I click on it, it doesn't give me anything. So it doesn't actually give me the data to work with.
Yeah.
Because it asks in some of the other questions, like for the criteria, like, oh, run these queries and then like pull out, all the data that matches this criteria and stuff, which obviously I can't do without the database,
without
without the actual spreadsheets.
Okay, I will have to get back to one of the other tutors to see if they do have this file and provide that to you. Or maybe if you have like anyone like any sort of dummy data that you can use, that'll be fine.
Yeah, but then that's how that match up with what's being asked in the assignment, because like I could use like another data set, but obviously what my results will be completely different to what you might expect to see if I had used the actual data set. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Okay, leave that with me. I will try to retrieve this for you, and once this is met, I will email you the data set.
Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you. I couldn't recall seeing it on Moodle because I'm pretty sure I downloaded everything.
Is it on Moodle?
No, I don't think it was. I am just quickly logging in now just to double check, but I downloaded all the files the other day, so I'd be surprised if I missed it. Just quickly logging in. So I'm in. Where is it? Short course box is annoying. Right, there it is. A day around session unit 4. Nope, it's just got the unit spec, the assignment, and then lessons 1, 2, and 3. But there's no none of the other stuff. Also, whilst we're at it, the lesson material for Unit 7 is also not on Moodle. So all the stuff that we covered earlier in the week where you've gone through the slides, I can't get access to those slides.
Unit 7, okay. I will make that. I will let them know so they'll make it available on Moodle.
Yeah.
So Unit 7 and file with the tables.
So the Unit 7, the lesson slides, and then for Unit 8, it's just the actual database material.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, no problem. I will let them know and they will share that with you.
Great. Brilliant. Cheers for that, Victor. Yeah, but that's everything. Otherwise, the assignment's pretty clear.
Okay. Okay, so if that's everything, I'll just end this session and I'll see you for the next unit.
Yep, see you for the next unit. I realised I was expecting sort of feedback on Unit 6 and then realised I actually didn't submit it. So I'm just going to go over it. So that's my fault. I thought I'd submitted it, but clearly I didn't. So I'm going to quickly go back over it, just check everything's there, then I'm going to submit it today. So hopefully you should have that to you soon.
Okay, no problem.
All right, brilliant. Cheers, then, Victor. I'll speak to you soon.
Bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.